Hello my YouTube friend, this is Nissan Mechanic here, and I just finished working on a 2010 Nissan Sentra. And what I did was I replaced the passenger side and the driver's side mirror. I bumped into a few problems that hopefully you don't have to go through it. First of all, we order aftermarket side mirrors. When you order aftermarket mirrors, it's a possibility, keep this in mind, that the cover or the cap for the original one is not going to fit the aftermarket. That's one of the problems I bumped into doing that job. The other problem I bumped into was that I was saying it was hard to remove this cover. If you are not careful, you can break the clip or scratch it, and you don't want to go through that. And hopefully this video will help you not to scratch it or break the clip. And what I did was I used a credit card or debit card or anything you want to use, and I used a plastic just like this. Now if you see the cover has the line here from the cover all around. Now you want to find a nice spot that you can put the edge of the debit card right in for you won't scratch it. What I like to do is I like to press this in like this right here, press it in. Take the debit card, put it right in. See it? How it went in? Put the debit card right in there. You take this plastic or whatever you may have, and you're just gonna put it right in there. Now, you're gonna push it in. Once you push it in, you can see that it's already loose. You don't want to pull it hard. What you want to do, you want to take the cover and pull it towards you. Little by little, look. Pull it towards you. See that? Pull it. I'm trying to show you. There you go. There you go. You pull it easily towards you, and there it goes. And it's removed. As you can see, the clips are right there. And these clips are very, very easy to break if you don't take your time. And they go right in these holes here. So now when you're going to replace it, you're going to put it back. All you have to do is just put it in like that, push it in, right? And then all you got to do is just push it in. You'll hear it click. And all around, now it is put all around. And now you have replaced the cover on your side mirrors without scratching it. So once again, this is Nissan Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nissanmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nissanmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Nissan Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.